Guess what? Jacob was my 10,000th follower. Look at this guy.
I'm pretty proud.
I removed him and then he followed me back right at 10,000. Congratulations to me. I just realized how lonely that sounded. Guys, I need a friend in real life. No, sorry guys. Sorry, I take that back. I'm better off. All right, so they're in there paying. I'm gonna get dressed. We're gonna do, since there's only 4 of us, we're gonna do a jump together, but we want a wingsuit, so we're gonna combine it, do a flyby, all right? Let me show you this. Okay, so plane's flying this way, which is called jump run. We're gonna go south, right? And then Jacob and Josh are gonna get out right here. And once they break off, Jacob is going to track this way and Josh is gonna track this way. And then Josh is gonna fly base, right? So we're gonna get out after them, probably over this way area. And then we're just gonna hang around a little bit, come from the west and then go right in front of them. But they're gonna be flying together, obviously. So one's gonna track that way and then they're gonna fly together, and then we're gonna come. Just like that. Cool? Hopefully we can figure it out. Kind of like what we did on the last one, but I'm actually gonna see them a little bit earlier. And we'll get to them better. Cool? See you out there.
It points it towards the blue.
All right, you guys know what the plan is?
Hell yeah. No, I really don't.
Either.
We landed in.
Kyle, what's the plan?
Suck less, have fun.
There is no
Do cool
plan.
shit.
Garrett, what are we doing?
I'm not landing in the ocean.
Okay. Why does it look so fuzzy right now?
Where's the prop?
This is the way we fit 5 people. You coming with us? Cotton's coming with us.
Bro, we appreciate
Someone please tell Garrett to stop farting in the plane.
He waits till we leave, so it's
No, he doesn't, because I remember there was me, you, Lorena, and Laura on there, and everyone is looking on the road like, that's definitely not a chick fart.
What? I didn't fart on that low.
You farted, bro.
Oh, like I said, I'll wait till everybody out.
No, you did not, bro. Then that stuff followed us.
Don't close your visor.
I need Febreze packs in here.
You need one of those little, the trees.
What if we put one up your butt? We just have one of those pine trees. Garrett, how about you hold it?
I don't know.
Cashierville is gonna be needing a new pilot real soon, guys.
Hello, vlog. We doing it right? Who's gonna flinch? Wasn't me!
Garrett farted!
No, I didn't.
Alright, I don't got much to say.
You got anything to say?
Alright, I don't got too much to say, so we'll make this one short. I see y'all.
Hey, so Indy, yeah. Hey, so Indy, yeah. Go and try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, it's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian. We been staying in our lane, ain't no merging. Rapping like I'm turban. Yeah, these all square like Irvin. Yeah, we grew up in the hood, no Suburbans. If I say I need my money, then it's urgent. Yeah, they want me to quit. Yeah, they want me to shift. But as long as I'm alive, we gon' keep on making hits. While they steady shooting bricks, man, it's lit. Yeah, it's lit. Me and Dale back to back, and yeah, I'm dishing the assist. Yeah, they talk a lot of, but we really with the lame. Always gonna be reaching for they hip, smoking like a clip. They can never catch me slipping. Every time your girl around, she be watch the way I'm dripping. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it ring. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell them park it up. Then that be parking up. Them jeans up and sparking up. Got the fireworks, I got the flame. Heard you parking up. It's the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can't keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I'm in flex mode with the best though. That's a major key, that's a chess move. I'm your favorite G, I think it's best. Yo. Stop with all the grilling, I'm on jet fuel. Taking off, clear the runway, now they cannot clip my wings. Yeah, they suck, they ain't homie, they ain't even on the scene. Play it smart, they don't know me, they just know what they see. What it costs to get flea, but this style it ain't free. It's that swag, it's that splash. One wrong move, that's do the dash, keep a stash, just in case they tryna flash, never lack.
Got him this time. Sick. Hey, bumping into. Oh, right there. There we go. That was pretty sick. Oh, grips. Woo! Well.
What's up, buddy?
That was pretty fun.
That was sick.
Yeah, it was good. You guys were right there together too.
Yeah.
Whew, that was fun. Dang, look at all this grass, guys.
Right?
Wow, this looks, I mean, we've had a ton of rain, but Cotton's been really watering this stuff. It looks so good.
And then here's Garrett.
Yeah, that was really freaking cool.
Bro, you diving? You dived hard, bro.
I was milking it, dude.
That was sick.
That's all I could get.
I looked over, Daniela and I exited, and I was like, look. She's like, I'm following you. Bro, how was it?
Dude, that was sick.
Yeah, that was fun, man. Thank you, Garrett. Appreciate you. Huge thanks to Garrett for coming out and flying us.
Yeah.
He's like part of our crew. Yeah, but he's a lot of fun. He flies us pretty much anytime. He's freaking awesome. So drop a like for Garrett. Daniela, what the heck happened on your exit? Well, first of all, the door was smacking me. I think Garrett did that on purpose.
I don't think you got out far enough either.
I didn't get out far enough either.
Yeah.
But it was still fun. All right, well, stay tuned. We're gonna be at Spaceland San Marcos tomorrow. I'm gonna be coaching Jacob on basic life skills.
Basically, it's finances tomorrow.
Finances? Don't follow me for financial advice. This is definitely not financial advice. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the morning.